Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another video. So happy to have you joining us. If you're a new subscriber, we welcome you. Thank you so much for joining us. And also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. We really would appreciate having you with us as well. Okay, we also want to remind you that we have a new Facebook group. It's called Acrylic Dutch Pour and More. We would love to have you join us. It's an opportunity for you to post your art and show us exactly what you've been working on and get feedback, ask questions. If you're struggling, you can find out what it is maybe you need to know to do, what to fix and all that kind of stuff. But we just really want to celebrate your growth and work with you. So join us on our Facebook group, Acrylic Dutch Pour and More. Because we have new subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour today, pretty much from the beginning to the end. We're going to use black as a base, and that's the Blickrylic Mars Black. Just going to pour out this base, which is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and water is added to the desired consistency. We're going to blow this out. Sometimes I take the time to use a spatula to smooth it out, or I tilt it and get it smoothed out. Today we're going to use our blow dryer, and we'll try and get it all leveled out and go from there. Okay, we have a little bit more paint on here than usual, but that's all right. We'll use it to repurpose as we need to. For now, we'll just take and use our finger to go around edges and corners to ensure that all of our canvas is covered. We also want to take our torch and pop air bubbles to make certain that these air bubbles are released. Before we do that, I'm going to just see how much paint we really have here. If we've got any that can move on into the container, we'll do that. Just to save some of it. We don't want too much. All right. Putting it right back inside the container. All right. We need some on there to be able to move, so we don't want to take it all off. That's good. Okay, so now we'll take and torch so we can get these air bubbles. We are looking for any uninvited guests. That's anything that could cause for a less than flawless foundation. Remember, any of the colors that we use in our paintings are listed in the description box below. Okay. I've been doing some paintings in preparation for my birthday weekend, so this is just one more that we are going to do, and hopefully we can have a nice outcome. So what are we starting with? Well, how about we start with the Liquitex Basics Raw Sienna. And we have Artist Loft Old Gold. We have Amsterdam Pearl Blue. Yeah, that'll be interesting. And Artist Loft Copper. Those will be our base colors. And we'll see if we can create something that we can be very proud of. All right, here we go. take and go here. How about we do, let's see, do I want to do that? I'm going to put this back here a little thicker. Maybe we'll go this way. Just give that a little bit of a difference. Putting this raw sienna down. We're putting down Artist Loft Old Gold now. And if you are aware, you know I don't use the same color palettes. I may use some of the same colors, but not the exact palette. So this is new to me as well as new to you. I like the idea of having the element of surprise as well as something new and unique. This should have some nice shine and shimmer to it because we are putting in some iridescent, well, pearl color, and we're also putting in some copper with some metallic and gold with metallic. And it's just going to be interesting to see how this pans out. We're torching the layering colors to get the air bubbles out. And because we used quite a bit of the raw sienna, I won't wrap back around with that, or the gold, or the white. But I don't want a lot of copper, so maybe we're in good shape. We'll start here on low, see if we like it. That is unbelievably gorgeous. That pearl blue is just giving a bit of color, highlighting really pretty on top of the black here, so vividly, and the sparkle and shine. Now what I am surprised about is that I don't see a lot more cells with the metallic color, the gold, the copper, in this, but gorgeous as it can be. Now what I would like to see is this has an opening here, this has an opening here. I may blow that out a little bit more because I see some copper that we didn't get. Don't know if I can get it, but we'll see. Actually, let me try doing this. Getting a little bit more of that pearl blue on top of that copper. This gold is actually creating some cells, lacings. Let's try torching that. Great. That got the copper in there a little bit better, brought in some gold, and that blue, really, really pretty. I love the way it's coming here. And this raw sienna is quite an impressive color. It's going to stand out very nicely against this black, kind of like butterscotch. Yeah. See a little something there. Tap that out. We're always looking for uninvited guests and making certain that our composition is free of any foreign debris and that we have full coverage all the way around. Wipe underneath with our Pana brand little stick, and we're going to ensure that we bring this to rest by doing this several times before it completely dries. You want to get it all as wet. You want to ensure that you have all four sides wiped underneath to capture that pink because it's moving. It's going to shift a little bit, but you want it to not move so much that it interferes with your outcome. Wow. We'll send this with a light blue torch across in case we missed any air bubbles. They're hard to find. Sometimes they hide. I love this hint of blue, which really looks like Payne's gray in this particular design. So very pretty. Okay, it's close-up time. We'll let you see for yourself. Hold on. We're back with our video close-up 10 by 20 inch canvas, and you can see the gorgeous colors that we have used in this design. Raw sienna, copper, old gold, and pearl blue. So pretty. It's a 10 by 20 inch Dutch pour. I really love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, keep loving your art. See you guys on the next video upload. Bye now.